Now let us derive Coulomb's law in case of a material medium. So let us start derivation. Let we have 2-point charges, say Q1 and Q2, and there is a free space between them, and they are separated by a small distance, say R. Now the Coulomb's force between these 2-point charges in case of free space is given by this equation: F is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. This is equation number first. All these terms are explained previously in detail. Now, when a dielectric medium of permittivity epsilon is placed between these 2-point charges, then Coulomb force can be written as F is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where epsilon is the permittivity of the medium. Now, as you know that epsilon is equal to epsilon naught and epsilon r, and we know that epsilon is the permittivity of the medium, epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space, and epsilon r is the relative permittivity. All these terms are explained briefly in the previous lectures. Now, put the value of epsilon in equation number 2. So equation number 2 implies that f dash is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught r Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Now we will rearrange this equation and we will write it as f dash is equal to 1 epsilon r and this. Now it is clear that 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square is equal to f. So putting the value of f in this equation, we will get the final result: f dash is equal to f divided by epsilon r, which is our required result, Coulomb's law in case of material medium, where f dash is the electrostatic force when a dielectric material medium is placed between the point charges, and F is the force when there is a free space, and epsilon r is the relative permittivity. So from this equation it is clear that when a medium is placed between 2-point charges, so the force of attraction or repulsion between them will decreases. Is it clear? When a material medium is placed between 2-point charges, then the electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion will decrease.